Hello and welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's session, we'll be covering Lesson 10, Audit Report Writing and Presentation. By the end of this video, you will have a strong understanding of how to write and present an audit report, the structure of an effective report, the appropriate writing style and tone to use, a real-world example from the garment industry, and a hands-on activity along with the homework assignment to reinforce your learning. Objectives of this lesson. By the end of this session, you should be able to structure and write a professional audit report, present audit findings clearly and constructively, and practice summarizing audit observations using a garment factory scenario. Here is the basic structure of a standard audit report. It should include a title page and report number for identification, the audit's objectives, scope, and criteria, details about the audit team, a summary of findings, which includes positive observations, non-conformities, and opportunities for improvement, a non-conformity report list with references, and finally, a conclusion along with clear recommendations. When writing the audit report, pay close attention to your writing style and tone. Keep your language factual, clear, and objective. Avoid emotional or accusatory words that may seem biased or confrontational. Always focus on evidence, not assumptions or opinions. Presenting audit results effectively is just as important as writing them well. During closing meetings, clearly explain your findings. Be prepared to handle difficult conversations with factory staff respectfully. And consider using visual aids like charts, images, or checklists to make your points easier to understand. Let's look at an example from the garment industry. During an audit at a factory in Dhaka, the report included photographic evidence showing that personal protective equipment, or PPE, was not being used in the finishing section. However, the cutting layout process was found to be very efficient and was highlighted as a best practice. The report recommended reinforcement training for PPE use. Now it's your turn to apply what you've learned. Activity. Draft a summary of an audit report based on a sample factory visit. Make sure to include at least one non-conformance and one best practice. Homework. Using what you learned in lessons 8 and 9, write a mock audit report that includes one NCR along with its corrective and preventive action, one observed strength or good practice, and a brief summary and recommendation section. We hope this session gave you a practical and clear understanding of audit report writing and presentation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future lessons. Join us next time for Lesson 11, Mock Lead Audit Simulation with a Garments Factory Case Study.